Hi, I'm Kim from the Beauty Biz, and tonight we are going to Scrubby my hubby. I want to demonstrate, because he was so badly sunburned, we went to the lake, he had peeled all over from head to toe, front and back. But I wanted to show you what I'm using. It's the Beauty Control Instant Manicure, which is the same product that we used last week for Beach Body Week for the satin hands treatment. And the reason I'm using this is it's not just has the exfoliant scrubbing granules, it also has a massive amount of oil, which is going to help put back the moisture in his skin that he has lost with getting massively sunburned and being out in the sun too much for my pale husband. So we are going to, with our spatula, place evenly distributed amounts, because when we go to get our scrubby tool, which by the way is an excellent scrubby tool, it is a loofah, okay? And if you don't know about loofahs and any kind of scrubbing, the benefits will increase circulation, it looks better for your skin, it causes you to glow, and actually is the right amount of pressure for my hubby to get off all the dead skin. Which is going to not just get all the dead skin off, but replace the moisture that he has lost from peeling and being too badly sunburned. Okay, now we're done with that part. Now we're going to move on because he's peeling on his legs as well. And if you guys have watched the beach body video where I had Carrie on the massage table, we were scrubbing her legs because she is a massage therapist and she stands all day. But all the dead skin, and it will fall away. And no one likes that dry skin peeling and looking crusty and yuck. And us beauty babes have to look after our hubbies. Okay, after that, we are going to take a moistened towel. If we were in the shower, of course we would be doing it in the shower, but I'm going to wipe away with a damp towel all the leftover granules, which is actually salt from the Dead Sea, very botanical, the Beauty Control. And not just are we wiping away the granules, all the dead layer of skin is gone. Okay. So now that I've showed you how to scrub your hubby, stay tuned, there's some more great videos to come. And as always, just follow the pink buttons. You'll find where you need to be at kimsbeautybiz.com. Have a good night. Bye.